You too. Wow, Gwan, it's your boy Benji Cobain. Today we're coming back here with another video. Today we're going to be reacting to a fight. Yeah, if y'all know about Street Beefs, you already know they've been doing this for a while. I'm not even going to hold you. So we're going to go ahead and react to one of the videos. It's a recent video. This just dropped yesterday. And yeah, let's get straight into it. If y'all like these type of videos, yo, let me know y'all want to see more fight videos in the comment section down below. Feel me? So without any further ado, let's get straight into this video. Feel me? Make sure y'all go and like, comment, subscribe. We're on the road to 700 subscribers. So once you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you know whenever I drop a new video, whenever I post anything like that. Y'all can go over to my Instagram, which is Benji Cobain with an underscore at the end. Yeah. So let's go ahead and get straight.
Street beef, nice with the hands, I don't need heat. Street beef, nice with the hands, I don't need heat. Guns down.
Large sticks, 175.
Yeah, boy, heavy, nigga.
Name Church Boy. Shout out to my wife, my family. Love y'all. Thank y'all.
6'0", 168.
Mad Dog.
Coming from Lexington, South Carolina. Street Beefs, we got another boxing match for you. In this corner, we got Church Boy. And in this corner, we got Mad Dog, all right? Before we start the event, make sure you guys go subscribe to Scarface's channel, Scarface Street Stories.
Hey, who y'all got? I'm going to let y'all know right now, just based off of looks, I got my boy Church Boy. I ain't going to hold you, man. I feel like, he going to put the holy gospel into this nigga head.
Go show some love to my boy. He has the alternate angles of every single fight on Street Beef's GoPro. Also, if you guys want to watch the events live and watch it first, go to NCB Fight Life on YouTube. Go subscribe. Also, go subscribe to my channel. Follow me on IG. And DM me. Let me know what state you want us to come out to next, guys. Good luck, fellas. Y'all want to come to the middle? Come to the middle. Let's work.
Thank you.
You don't want your wallet to fall out.
Oh, give me time. Time. Let's work.
Come on, Church Boy.
House never loses. There you go. Get low.
Oh, no. Don't tell me he fighting in compression shorts. You fighting in the compression shorts, bro? And what type of colorway is that, nigga? Oh, hell no. Nah, man. Y'all lucky it's not an MMA match. Nigga been trying to do some crazy shit, boy. I'll tell you.
Yes, sir. Look the time that jab. Look the time that jab.
Hold on.
There you go.
Hold on.
Respect that man.
Hold on, yo, you gotta check that hook. He throwing that hook though, I ain't gonna lie. He throwing that motherfucker.
Show me your overhand. Set it with the jab though.
Yeah, weak ass jab.
Right here.
Yes, sir. You see it? You see it? Yeah.
Oh. Frame.
Step in with that jab. Step in with that. Step in with that jab. Turn that hook.
Hands high. Hands high.
Man,
Right
put
now.
that chin down,
Chin
nigga.
down, man.
There you go. I like that.
Chin down.
Double up.
Yo, listen to your coach. Put that chin down, boy.
Good.
hold on.
Look that two again.
Hold on, he putting the word of Christ into that man. I'm not even Christian,
60
bro.
seconds, fellas. 60 seconds. Oh. Yeah, you snuck in here.
Yes, sir. Good shout. Good shout, boy.
Yes, sir.
Get in that pocket with us. Go ahead. Get in that pocket.
Again. Come on. It's your fight, bro.
Breathe.
Let's see that 2-3. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Good.
Yeah, white boy, he throwing the same punches. He don't got no type of combination patterns in his head. Yeah, all he could do is throw his four, throw his, feel me? That's all he throwing. He throwing a 4, he throwing a 3. Yeah, look.
30 seconds. 30 seconds.
30 seconds, man. Show me a 1-2. Upcut. Right in front of him.
Nigga, hold on. Nigga, wake up, nigga. Lord, yo, hold on. He told, hold on. He said, hold on.
Right in front of him.
Hold on. Wake your bitch ass up, nigga. Fire. Nah, he really punching on him. I'm not gonna lie.
Nice.
Yeah, he punching on him like crazy.
Fight, bro.
7.
Yes, sir.
Oh, hold on.
Let's go.
Oh Lord, he put an each scripture into that boy head, boy. Oh my God.
Let's go.
Round two, you know what to do. Let's work.
Oh.
Head up, man.
Boom.
Step in there with that jab.
Boom.
Okay, he ain't at the body. I like that.
Boom.
Man, protect you. Hey, look. Both of these niggas is headhunting, right? But if my homie Mad Dog would pick his fucking hands up, maybe he wouldn't be getting hit in the face with the word of God so much. What's wrong with that boy? Yeah, he need more training. He not ready.
Good. Show me 2 jabs. Give me 2 jabs. Yeah, double up
He
on that
just trying to
jab.
survive.
Double up on that jab. Put a little bit more hook in there.
Move that head a little bit more. Go to that body.
Yeah, turn that hook a little bit more.
Step in.
High low.
Step in, get some cardio on it. You good? Yes, sir.
Nah, but yeah, that Mad Dog nigga. Yeah, I mean, not Mad Dog.
Body.
Church boy, he running out of breath. I peeped it.
Body. Don't have her. Yeah.
Nice.
You still in this. You still in this. 2 more rounds. Go. Bang. Yo, volume. He's not done volume. You get points off that.
Yeah, he
body,
tired.
head, body, head.
He tired.
Yeah, you gonna out volume him. He's tired. Go.
60 seconds.
60 seconds.
That work. Uppercut. Oh. Uppercut. Go that right uppercut.
Touch your move, baby. Touch your move.
Hands up. Shoot that right
Touch your
uppercut
move.
when he done. You good?
Be first.
Yes, sir. 2, 3. Go, baby.
Yo, homie, I ain't gonna lie, church boy. Homie, you was working against yourself, bro. When you tired, don't never go into no position like this, bro. You supposed to open up. Why you closing up for?
5, 6, 7, 8. You want to continue? That's the end of the round. End of the round. Y'all want to touch gloves? Come to the middle, touch gloves. This is the final round. Street beef is going down. Back up. Round 3. Let's work.
Oh, that's who he remind me of. He remind me of Dirty Old Bastard. That's who he look like.
Yes, sir. Demon time. Yes, sir. Hands up, ready for the big one.
Everything off that jab. Everything off that jab. Everything off that jab. Just keep jabbing.
Hands
Just keep
up.
jabbing.
Put pressure
Just
up.
keep jabbing. Just keep jabbing. Stand up. Just keep jabbing. Hands up. Keep jabbing.
Good one. Yes, sir.
Keep jabbing. Yes, sir.
It's a tight fight. Who won it?
Keep jabbing.
Hey, now follow it up. That's right.
Just keep jabbing.
Yeah,
That's
push
right.
him back. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Demon
Keep
time.
jabbing. Keep that jabbing. Yes, sir.
Yeah, keep jabbing. No
Keep
point.
jabbing. Keep jabbing.
Hands high.
Boy, breathing out his
Hands
mouth
high.
and all that.
Stay busy.
Wait,
Remember the
yo,
uppercut.
chill.
Get ready. Hands up. Hands up for the big one.
Yes, sir. The jab.
Circle.
The jab. Everything off the
One,
jab.
two.
Get
One,
that. Don't
two.
put your body
Go to the
up.
body. He's
Breathe,
tired.
baby. Breathe. Yes, sir. Everything
He
off the
tired
jab.
as
Yes,
shit.
sir.
Keep head high. Keep head high right now.
60
Come on. Keep moving, man.
Not you're good.
Fire hose, boy. Come on.
I ain't gonna lie, yo, that's how you know church boy don't even respect his punches, bro. He just standing right there, catching his breath, eating his punches. He like, man, this boy a little kid, bro. Cause, bro, if homie is putting his head right there, he putting his head right in front of you, bro. Why is you throwing body shots at him, bro? That make no sense.
Pressure. Get ready for that big right hand. You ready?
Come on. You got him right now. Come on.
Let's go.
Finish it up.
Circle out. Don't just get hit. Circle out. Move your feet.
Sorry,
Hands out.
Let's go.
Punch the nigga in the face!
Your fight, bro.
Oh my god, man. You don't know how to punch a nigga in the face. That's the one thing you came here to do.
30 seconds.
You just learned that nigga punch you like a punching bag. You just a punching bag. You just a punching bag, my nigga. How does it feel to be a punching bag, my nigga?
It's your round. It's all
You're not even doing nothing.
10 seconds. 10 seconds. Let's go. Let's go. 9. 8.
The nigga been trying to catch his breath for the last 60 seconds. And what you did, you ain't do nothing. Scamming.
Again. 5, 6. Go get him.
Let's see who won. Yeah, you see? He just a puncher.
That was crazy, man.
He a victim.
Crazy.
You a victim.
Go ahead. Shout out to my family. I'm tired as hell.
But it take a real man to look at.
Wait, so who they say won?
Love y'all. God bless everybody. Go ahead. That was crazy, man. Crazy.
Hold on.
Go ahead. Shout out to my family. I'm tired as hell. Go fight. Good fight, Warrior. Good fight, young man. Good fight.
Alright, so they ain't announced a winner, but y'all already knew who the winner was, bro. It's self-explanatory. If y'all like this reaction, feel me? Make sure y'all go ahead and leave a like, comment, subscribe. And once I get into the army, like, cause I'm shipping out real soon, yo, I'm gonna get back on my boxing shit. Oh my god. Yo, only if y'all knew, bro. Yeah, but for sure. Y'all have a good day. Feel me? I'm out of here. Peace. Yo.